Hello, in this video I want to show you how to restart your Netvue Orb Camera. And to do this you'll need to find the settings button in the app, go for the general. Here as a second option there's restart device, click on it and then confirm. Your device should shut down and shortly after turn on. Click on confirm. Let's go back. Here we can see that the device was off and it keeps powering on now, so we need to wait. And it's on. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.